नमः वंगजनाभाय नमः वंगजमालिने नमः वंगजनेत्राय नमस्ते पंकजाग्नये. Good morning to everyone. My name is Devan Sharma and I am from SRD Gurukul Foundation. Today I have brought a new video for you all. I am here to say on Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So we will start. Drishtvat Pandavanikam Vyudam Duryodhanastara Acharyabhasangamya Raja Vachanam Abravit. Duryodhana saw the Pandavas' great army at front of him and he went to Dronacharya and he told to his teacher to look the great Pandavas' army and your intelligent student. Why he told like this to Dronacharya? To look the warriors and your intelligent student? Because he have the reason. He is to blame Dronacharya if Duryodhana is defeated in war. Dronacharya has teaching to both of them. Pasyaitam Panduputrana Macharya Mahatinchamu Vyuda Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata. Duryodhana is not taking the responsibility of war, but he wants the full kingdom to him only. How can anybody will not take responsibility, but he wants everything? That will not okay. So he is not taking the responsibility. So not giving anything to him. So Krishna is telling everybody want to live with love and help others. So I will come in next video. Don't forget to like, share and comment, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.